Life, sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys, welcome back. I just wanted to share with you guys another celebrity order that I'm packaging up for delivery, and this is for the rapper No Cap. So I'm just gonna talk you guys through this order and me kind of packaging it up and getting it ready for delivery. So I actually made that topper that says No Cap. It's actually made from cardstock that I glued to a glitter cardstock, and that's a gray fondant. The money on top is fake money that I glued to skewers. It has the floating happy birthday topper that I will link below, and then it just has the gold trim around the top and the bottom with little fake diamonds sitting on top. The image on the front of the cake is actually a edible image that I put on a fondant background and attached to the cake, and then I just put some extra money around the cake. And so now I'm going to show you guys how I box it up for delivery. I've showed you guys this before. If you watch my previous video where I did a birthday cake also for the rapper Young Blue, if you haven't seen it, I'll link it below. But I'm just showing you my two-part boxes that I use for my taller cakes. And even though this is a one-tier cake, because it has the topper and the money on top, I still use a taller box just so the top doesn't get smushed. So the box just folds and locks in, and then I usually just slide the cake in like so. And see, even though it's a one-tier cake, it's kind of tall because of all the toppers on top. And then the two sides just fold and the flap comes up and you just slide them in. And then it has a top that kind of folds on all four sides and kind of fits exactly on top. Unfortunately, with this order, I will just show you guys how I package it up for delivery. I had another engagement, so I wasn't actually able to present it to him and meet him this time like I did with the rapper Young Blue. But I still wanted to show you guys the cake and show you guys me boxing it up because I know some of you follow me on Instagram and have asked, did I do a video like the one I did with Young Blue? But I wasn't able to. So I'm just going to add a contact card on top. As you guys know, it has all my contact information. The card has my website, my email address, my TikTok, my YouTube, and my Instagram. So I just placed this card on top. I'm just going to tape it down. And then I'm also going to place a sticker on top that says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." I think it's just such a cute little touch. And I found stickers. I'll link these on Amazon that actually match my whole pink and gold theme of my actual business. So I always include one of those stickers. And now it's ready to be delivered. And because I keep getting asked, how do I actually know these celebrities? I don't. I was actually contacted by the club to create both this cake and the one for Young Blue. In my first celebrity order, I was contacted by her assistant. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Sweet, 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 sweet life.